would it be?
Well, I think the very first time I won a Filmfare, which was 2008 for Om Shanti Om, because I think no matter I think whatever it is, once won many awards after that, but your very first award is always the most special award. I remember being extremely nervous. I didn't even tell my parents about it. Like, I think in the years after that, I think when I won for Ram Leela and for Piku, I've always sort of in anticipation taken my parents with me. But in the first year, I was just so naive and raw, and like I had no idea. Like, I wasn't even sure if I was allowed to bring my parents along. And I went up and I gave some random speech. Like, sometimes when I look at it today, I'm like, yeah, what was I thinking?
Share one of your favorite memories from the Filmfare Awards. Which one would it be?
Definitely the first time I won an award, that was for Highway. Quite a memorable night.
Okay. And if you had to pick out two performances, acting performances from 2018 that you absolutely loved, which would they be?
I think Ranbir's and Ranveer's.
Okay. First of all, is this the first time you're coming for the Filmfare Awards?
No, actually this is not. I have come to Filmfare Awards at age 7 and 8 and 9 with Jaya Auntie. I used to force my mom to give me permission to go for Filmfare Awards. So yes, this is not my first time here. This is my first time here as like a actor.
Do you have a memory from childhood that you absolutely cherish from the awards?
I remember this one time that I'd come and my father was like nominated for Omkara, and I think mom was nominated for Kalyug. If I'm not wrong, I think it was the same year, and I was very amused by that. And I was like, oh, what if they both win and I get to go on stage and get the award? I remember having that thought.
Okay, and about you, you're nominated. How does it feel to be the debutant that everybody's looking up to?
Listen, I don't know, I'm very nervous right now. I don't want to say anything. But for me, and I am not just saying this to say the correct answer, but for somebody that's been such a fan of... It's an incredible film. It really was one of my favorites, and Razi. So there's a lot to choose from this year. I think the most important thing, which is really nice to know, is that our films, I feel, are just getting better and better. The writing is getting better, and it's just an exciting time to be part of cinema.
Excited are you to be here, and what were some performances in 2018 that you liked the most?
I loved Chandni and Dhadak. I liked Akshay Kumar and Fatman, and I liked Ranbir Kapoor and Sanju.
Alright, thank you so much. First question is this the first time you're attending the Filmfare Awards?
Actually, it is the first time I'm attending Filmfare.
Okay, so do you, you've been a part of the industry for a very, very long time, so do you have like a memory of the awards, even if you were watching them at home?
For me, always Akshay Kumar's performances, like back then, I used to love them because वो हमेशा ऐसी तूफानी entry करते थे, तो मुझे हमेशा वो मजा आता था.
Okay, so if you had to pick a best actor and a best actress from 2018, who would they be?
Oh, don't do this to me.
Come on.
But, I think Tabu for Andhadhun, and best hero Ranveer Singh is Gully Boy, but I don't know if Gully Boy is
Padmavat.
Ranveer Singh.
Okay, thank you.
I don't have a favorite memory actually. I do remember so many things about the Filmfare Awards. I remember when it was held at, Tulip Star. One of the first awards that were held, that I attended at least. The first award that I won was at Film City. They had put up a set over there, and I remember I couldn't see the stage, and I couldn't. I remember somebody had to actually stand up on the table to wave when he was announced as a nomination. It was such a big show. So it still is, and it still continues to be bigger every day, and it's always wonderful to attend.
Tell us a little about your performance. You just finished it?
Yes, I just finished it, and I changed into this, and it went really well. My performance was a lot of Punjabi singers that have done really well, which includes Mera Boyfriend and Coca-Cola actually. And I entered on a Lamborghini, which was a lot of fun. So it all went well, yeah. There was a lot of madness, and I think most importantly, I really enjoyed on the stage.